Children will be better prepared for a future in which artificial intelligence, AI, and robots will play an important role in their daily lives if educational robotics can provide them with the key skills they will need to succeed. However, some obstacles need to be overcome before educational robotics can be made available on a wide scale, at a cheap price, and in an efficient manner in classrooms. Experts in the field recently participated in a panel discussion in which they discussed the current status of educational robots, as well as their obstacles, potential research prospects, and benefits for learners from a variety of backgrounds. The function of robots in the classroom. To improve students' educational experiences in a variety of ways, educational robots can be used. As active learning tools, they can encourage students to actively engage with one another, come up with solutions to problems, and work together. Children can increase their capacity for critical thinking as well as their creative abilities through the use of robotics in the classroom. In addition, robots can act as a scaffold for the development of social skills, which is especially helpful for children who are shy or who have specific needs. When compared to dealing with peers, communicating with robots can be less daunting and more predictable, which can promote confidence in social circumstances. In addition, robots can play the role of co-learners or tutors, encouraging children to explain concepts or educate the robot, which in turn helps youngsters to reinforce their comprehension of the material. Challenges in implementing robots in classrooms. The cost and preparation of educators to use robots effectively are the two key obstacles that stand in the way of the broad use of robots in educational settings. Because of the sometimes meager resources available to schools, it can be challenging to make investments in costly pieces of robotics technology. It is possible that the digital divide between schools that have access to resources and those that do not be made worse by the expense of sophisticated robotic systems. In addition, educators might not have the requisite amount of time or experience to effectively include robots in their lesson plans and lessons. The incorporation of robotics into a curriculum can be a challenging endeavor for educators due to the demands placed on their already full schedules. To overcome these obstacles, improved training programs for educators are needed, and the government should lend its support to schools that emphasize artificial intelligence and robotics. Governments can encourage the use of educational robots if they acknowledge the significance of these technologies for the future workforce and recognize the necessity of these technologies. The technology must be made available and affordable to bridge the digital divide and ensure that all students have equal access to educational robots. Access to robotics technology can be provided to numerous schools through the utilization of shared resources. Some examples of these shared resources include community centers and mobile labs. Spending less money and doing more for the environment can be accomplished by putting unused robots from industry and universities to use in educational settings. Users would be able to acquire a basic robot at a lower price point and then subscribe to additional services and content as needed if educational robotics were offered through a model that was based on subscriptions. This would make educational robotics more affordable for consumers. Recent trends in research and the importance of using large language models. The field of educational robotics is currently concentrating its research efforts on swarm robotics, which investigates how the usage of numerous robots cooperating can result in more productive learning experiences. The field of soft robotics explores the application of soft materials and components in robot design, which paves the way for brand new educational application opportunities. The goal of research conducted in the fields of active learning and collaboration is to improve the capabilities of collaborative problem-solving and active learning experiences. It is anticipated that large language models such as GPT-4 will play a pivotal role in the development of improved conversational encounters with robots. When paired with developments in emotional intelligence and capacities for collaborative problem-solving, these models have the potential to produce educational robots that are both more interesting and more effective. The field of educational robotics shows a great deal of promise for enhancing the learning process, providing children with transferable abilities that will be useful in their future occupations and catering to a wide range of students. The revolutionary teaching potential of the NAO robot, sometimes known as O. The programmable humanoid robot known as NAO was developed specifically to be of assistance in educational environments. Its expressive face, natural language processing capabilities, capacity to move and communicate with its surroundings, and ability to move and interact with its surroundings create an unparalleled educational experience for students in the classroom. Students will be more engaged in their studies because of the human-like appearance of the NAO robot, which was designed to enhance classroom interaction. Because of his expressiveness and manner, the learning process is made very fascinating and interactive for the students. Because of this engagement, the students are inspired and encouraged to participate actively in the class. One of the most important aspects of the NAO robot is its capacity for individualized learning, which enables it to adapt its method of learning. Both the instructional methods and the subject matter covered by the robot can be altered to meet the needs of individual students. The NAO robot can perform data analysis, observe student behavior, and offer immediate feedback and individualized coaching, all of which contribute to enhanced learning. In addition to learning academic subjects, students can use the NAO robot to develop important life skills, which is a benefit that complements the learning of academic content. Through the use of interactive activities and simulated situations, the robot creates a risk-free setting in which users can hone their skills in areas such as communication, teamwork, and problem-solving, reforming classrooms with robots in the educational system. In addition to the NAO education robot, the following are some further applications of robots that have the potential to revolutionize the classroom. Support and assistance. Robots can help teachers manage administrative work, freeing them up to spend more time interacting with students and teaching them. Education in the areas of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, collectively referred to as STEM, can benefit greatly from the use of robots. They provide students with opportunities for learning via hands-on experience and assist pupils build abilities in critical thinking and problem-solving. In the field of special education, robots have the potential to offer individualized assistance to kids who require it. Students may benefit from enhanced communication, learning facilitation, and increased opportunities for social contact thanks to these robots. Learning a language with the assistance of robots makes the process of learning a language more interactive and immersive. Conversational practice and immediate feedback are two things that they can offer, making the process of learning a language a more participatory one. Robots in the classroom. Double free ushers in a new era of revolutionary remote learning. Because it makes video interactions easier, robotics has emerged as a useful resource for students who receive their education at home as well as those who are unable to attend conventional institutions. One example of this is the Double Free robot, which is a self-driving video conferencing device that is outfitted with 2 wheels and has revolutionized remote education. In addition, Double Free helps students, teachers, and the classroom as a whole by providing a physical presence in situations where being present in person is not possible. There are currently more than 13,000 humanoid robots being used in a variety of schools and educational institutions across the globe, and it is anticipated that this number will experience a significant increase over the next few years. The next step is to investigate the degree to which artificial intelligence and robots can coexist amicably within our current educational system as co-workers alongside their human counterparts. It is realistic to assume that robotics and artificial intelligence will continue to bring new opportunities for the education sector in the future, given the ongoing expansion of technological innovation. The last words. The use of robots in the classroom is only going to become more prevalent as technological advancements are made. Humanoid robots, such as the NAO teaching robot, have the potential to revolutionize how humans instruct and are instructed. Robots improve students' educational experiences and help them become more prepared for the future thanks to the particular capacities they possess to engage, personalize, and enable social interaction. Being a part of the landscape of education at this exciting time, when robots are becoming valuable instruments in the pursuit of knowledge, is something to be excited about. Did you like it? Tell us what you think of the video in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.